Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the trending thumbnail editing in the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just add your videos. So you need to add 3 clips to CapCut like this. Then click on the second clip and trim it into 0.6 seconds like this. And now duplicate the video, and on the second one reverse it. So click on the second one and find reverse, and after that you can just click on the first clip, and then duplicate it like the second one like this. And now drag it right after the reverse clip, okay, like this. So it's on the fourth rows like this, and after that reverse it. Click on reverse on this video, then trim the clip into 1 second. Okay, now the video is reversed. Let's trim it into 1 second. Now click on the transition box in between the last 2 clips, this one. Find mask, then select this comparison transition. Set it to around 0.3 seconds. Click on the check icon, click on the last clip, click on animation. Under the in category, select the turbulence animation, this one. Set it around 0.9 seconds. Now you are done, and here just click on add audio, and here I'm going to extract it from a TikTok video with the thumbnail trend, this one. Okay, I'm going to trim it in here, and that's it. So this will be the result. Sorry. Okay, like that. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.